G'day guys, how's it going? Welcome to Shit Easy Motorcycle Camp Cooking, Dead Easy Motorcycle Camp Motorcycle Camp Cooking. We don't normally like to say shit because YouTube doesn't like that, so I've got to stop saying it. Shit Easy Motorcycle Camp Cooking.
Yeah, I wouldn't say that.
Pete, it's bloody hot right next to here.
Fucking burning. I'm gonna step on.
Right. So this bloody thing is about you're going camping. We're in the Murray Sunset National Park. We've been riding around in the sand and shit, and I'm burning. You got a mate?
No.
Share the bloody cooking.
No, it's not.
Sounds like a plan. Went to Woolworths, Safeway if you're old, and just got some garlic steak. 2 of them, one for you, one for me. Can't wait. Beauty. Whole potatoes, tin, and peas. So we've got to crack those. Ow! Where's my stick? Got the fire going, and we're kind of like there's a lot of real estate taken because everybody else around here is cooking.
You happy with that?
Yeah, that looks good. Rake out some coals.
Been cracked.
Yeah, we need. Brought out my big bloody fry pan. Whack some oil in that. So these tins, we just stick them in the fire. Shit, because these are already pre-cooked.
I can't wait to see that.
So all we got to do is heat them up.
I'm wondering the same
Rouse.
It is hot.
Yeah.
Hot.
Make sure you can get the buggers back out.
A bit of oil in there, is that enough? Happy with that?
Put heaps in it.
thing. That's just the
Heaps of oil.
That's it.
You can't call me Russell 20 anymore.
Wow. Do you like garlic?
Love garlic.
Right, yep. No, we get this stuff at home. I like garlic, but Nay doesn't.
Okay.
So she cooks separately.
Yep.
Yeah.
Go
So I
for it.
suppose all we've got to do is whack that garlic stuff in there.
Yep. Right.
There you go for it.
It is hot.
Oh, it is, isn't it? So now we'll stick that on there. Honey. Oh. Give that a bit of a zhuzh around. And once that starts to sizzle, we'll then chuck that in. Yep. I'll give you guys a close-up. While we're going, so Andrew, what are you cooking, mate?
Oh, I've got these little pork snags.
Ah.
That's one of your specials.
Yeah, absolutely. Brilliant.
The good old favourite, baked beans.
Baked
mate.
beans.
Can't go wrong.
So you're going to mix all that together?
I'm going to cook these and then chuck that in and away we go.
Yep,
Pretty
cool.
easy.
So you're running the little butane.
Yeah, little
Yeah, they're a
butane
hand.
with
Yeah,
the
look at that. Brilliant.
yeah,
Good shit.
very controllable like for the heat.
Yeah, that's it.
All good.
Where's Chappy? Chappy? So you've got your little mess kit going on?
Yep,
Old school?
a couple of sausages and a few veggies to boil up back there.
Oh, so you're going to put the veggies in the boiling water?
Oh, just the dry, frozen.
Oh, yeah, cool. All right, what else have we got? Oh, we're sizzling. Pete, get on the job, man.
Let's go.
Get those steaks in there. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. All right, what's Kai and Alice is pissed off. Doing the old hamburgers, same deal on the hot coals. What's that? That's a big heavy. What is it, Kev?
Cast iron.
Cast iron. That's what I'm trying to say.
I'm having my dinner too.
Excellent. Liquid dinner.
Yeah.
Righto. Oh, Jesus. So we'll let that stuff sizzle away, guys, and we'll come back to you. Righto, Pete, how are we going with this stuff, mate?
Going really well. Meat's coming along very
Oh,
nicely.
look at that.
The veggies look like they're pretty close now, so
Oh, yeah, they're both now boiling over, aren't
I'll
they?
pull them out soon. I think the meat, I just brought this around a little bit. Seems like a bit more heat on this side.
Yeah, yep,
So give that other one a bit of a whirl, but this one's cooking well.
yep, cool. Tell you what, guys, it's bloody chaos going. There's cooking going on everywhere. Oh, look out, here we go. Watch out.
Master Chef. We've got 10 seconds to plate up, fellas.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Look out, here we go. Oh, look at that.
Better than home, mate.
Yeah.
Fit for a
Bloody
king.
good stuff. Look out, we got the jet boil.
Yeah.
Jet boil's coming out. So what are you doing?
Oh, a bit of meat, bit of beef. Beef noodles.
Beef noodles. Brilliant.
That's a big ass bucket of beef noodles, eh?
Oh, Jesus, what's going on?
Don't want to go home.
There we go.
No, that's true.
Yep,
Well and truly done.
well and
those.
truly done.
We'll get them out of there.
Righto.
Gas, mate? That is a hot fire. Wood's good, isn't it?
Cooking brilliantly. Rightio, Pete, let's bloody dish this stuff up.
Let's get it out of there.
That one. Chuck him on there.
You're going to pop that one in there. Beautiful.
Look at that. Now, apparently.
No worries. If you get a bloody pot of water going, we'll,
Oh, yeah.
we're ready.
Ah, you bastard. So now we should be able to just pour that. Oh, I won't pour it here, will we?
Going, you can just chuck it on
Okay.
there.
Oh, gloves.
Hang on. Do you want me to...
I actually try and pour all the water out while that lid's still on.
Oh, yeah.
We're going to pull that water out of these and we'll come back to you. Righto.
Special off.
Righto, peas are drained.
Desert ops.
Chuck some peas in.
Almost there, mate.
Desert storm.
Want to leave it sitting
I
right
don't know
there.
how many
Might
peas
as
you
well.
want.
Yeah,
That's about enough for me.
Well, Mark, you give the strainer a go.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Go with it.
Pete's new little setup. Don't put the fire out. Beautiful. Cool. Like a few of those in there.
There you go, mate. Chuck it on there.
A little bit left over.
A little bit of salt and pepper.
You can have your salt, but I'll
Yeah.
leave that.
Yep, go for it.
Just brought some rolls. That's it, guys. Bloody done.
Beautiful.
All the guys around here saying, yeah, it's shit easy bloody motorcycle camp cooking, but it seems like a whole lot of bloody effort.
Have you got a you want to put your top on?
Fantastic.
Cool.
Yeah, that's
the original.
Yeah.
A little frame that goes over the seat.
Come on, Pete, I'm getting.
I'm sorry,
sorry.
are we recording,
Oh, we're
are we?
recording. The guys are waiting for us to eat it. Then we can go. Oh, that's delicious.
Yeah.
Look at you guys with your roast dinner.
Okay, got the fork.
Got the fork.
He's eating steak with what? Is that
Oh,
A steak
right.
knife. Here we go.
I actually left my steak knife.
Oh,
Yeah, so I'm using the plastic one.
That should be interesting.
Righto, let's garlic steak.
Let's get into it.
This side looked a bit
Let's see
hotter,
what-
so I moved the more cooked ones over that way.
Damn, I wish I had my steak knife.
Yeah, this should be good.
Just need a candle.
Thanks.
That's beautiful. Very nice.
Thank you. Oh, come on.
I thought I just turned it on.
Potatoes, good.
No, that's all right, isn't it?
Yep. Yeah.
I can't wait to watch Mark cut his next piece of steak.
Chappy, are they cooking all right in there?
Yes.
Yeah. Because you can use our pan if ours are
Yeah, potatoes.
to the
Can't,
side, but
can't go wrong,
yeah.
can you?
I'll do it.
The old tin stuff.
Mm.
You know, all you got to do is warm them up.
I think it's so easy. The fire's really hot, but yeah, they cooked up very easy. Just
Yeah.
pop them in there, crack the lids, and away they go.
Oh, the old bit of soak up the
Yeah.
garlic juices.
Wait for the purists to tell you that you shouldn't cook food in the can.
It's what you domesticated.
What? I
What
said wait for the purists to say you shouldn't cook food
Oh,
in the can.
yeah, I cop that all the time.
Yeah.
This is good.
But we
meal.
don't eat like this all the time. Every now and then, doesn't matter.
Yeah. Yep. That's
Righto. Done deal.
it. Yeah, great.
There you go, guys. That's dead easy motorcycle
Mate.
camp cooking.
Yeah.
Last ones to
With a
eat.
mate. Eh?
Last ones to eat.
Yep.
The best meal though,
Yeah, that's it, exactly. In our opinion.
in our opinion.
All right, guys, remember, keep on riding, and if you ain't riding, keep on keeping on.